Good morning. How you doing? Elijah here. Hope you're having a great day. Great morning. We're doing our best. It's a beautiful day. Thank the good Lord for that. Don't look at all my junk. It's just junk. Come with nothing, leave with nothing. Hope you have a beautiful day. Great things come your way. Say a little prayer. Good Lord will keep you healthy and safe. Watch over us all. Great things come our way. Birds are singing. The raven's out. Can you hear them? These are birds. I love them. Don't hear them down south. Only up north. Great birds. Great animals. So to take a little video just for you. Great people. I love the ravens. What'd you see? Oh, nothing. What'd you see? Something? Take care. God bless. Have a great day. Enjoy the little things. The birds. Beautiful sunshine. Look at all them trees. Oh man, I'm in heaven. Thanks to the great Lord. Do the work, get the results. It takes work. You got to do it. And nothing's worth it if it's not hard work. Just blabbing.